Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be restoring your Xbox One S or One X. It's the exact same instructions actually for both of them. And even if you have the newest Series S and Series X, it's pretty much the same thing. Anyways, what we have to do is into our settings. So for that, you can see on your controller, the Xbox logo. Just click on it. And once we tap right there, we can just scroll down into settings. We press A. Once this loads up, just go into your third option, system. Under system, go right into console info. Under console info, scroll all the way down. You're gonna see the second last option where it says reset console. Under console info, you're gonna see this. The second option will say reset console. Once we click right there, you're gonna see these two options. So there's two ways we can reset it. Reset and keep my games and apps, which is most likely what you guys don't want to do. And then we have reset and remove everything, which literally removes everything. Your games plus literally everything. Now, let's say you guys, I get these questions a lot. Let's say you guys downloaded a game. You purchased a game under your Xbox account. Well, on your next Xbox, maybe you guys upgraded to Series X. You just have to log into your Xbox account and that's it. You can just re-download it. You don't have to pay for it again because you already bought it once. That's if it's a digital version. If you have the disc, you have the disc, so you're good to go. Anyways, right now what we want to do is just reset and remove everything, which will delete everything. Now, if you get a message like so, you need to be online, then just go ahead and connect. Now, keep in mind, if you have any updates, you have to run them first. It's kind of weird that we have to do that. So right now, it's telling me that I need an update in order to run this. I didn't really want to run the update because I'm gonna restore it anyways. I'm gonna delete everything from it, but it requires that, so I'm just gonna run the update and then we're gonna head back to this. Once you're done with any updates, we can go on and just reset it. So we're gonna go into reset and remove everything. Once we click there, it's gonna see a black screen. It's just gonna restart, and then we're about to be finished because this is really fast. Afterwards, we should see a screen like so, preparing, and then a black screen again. After that, we should see something like so, where it's just going to tell us not to turn off or even unplug our Xbox. Again, this part shouldn't take too long. Right now it's at 64%, 70%, and then so on. After that, we should see something like so. We're just going to see this verification code where you can activate right now your Xbox using your cell phone or tablet, and that's the code there. So that means we're actually done. At this point, you can just turn off your Xbox unless you want to activate it. You could even activate it using your stuff again. So the same login that you used before, same everything if you wanted to do that. If you're selling this at this point in time, all you have to do is fully shut it down because you're all done. It's all wiped clean. None of your personal information's in it, which includes games. Just go on and hold on to the power button on our Xbox until it fully turns off. And that's it. That's all you guys have to do. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.